Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Assistive Touch because it creates an on-screen control when hardware buttons fail. Open Settings, go to Accessibility then Touch, and tap Assistive Touch. Turn it on, you'll see a floating button. Next, customize the top-level menu to include volume up and volume down so you can access them quickly. Once done, position the button where it's convenient. This step gives you immediate virtual controls and avoids using the broken physical button while you continue. Now you expand options so volume control feels natural. Swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and use the volume slider directly. This is fastest for fine adjustments. Then set back tap. Go to Settings Accessibility, touch back tap, and assign double or triple tap to a shortcut for volume or for assistive touch. Make sure both gestures don't conflict. Once configured, you can tap the back to change volume instantly or use Control Center for precise levels. Finish by adding redundancy and a quick fix routine. You can ask Siri to change volume by percentage, which is handy hands-free. If virtual controls stop responding, restart your iPhone to clear glitches and make sure Assistive Touch is still enabled. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone, reset to restore defaults without erasing data. One troubleshooting tip. If Assistive Touch floats but doesn't respond, toggle it off and on to reinitialize the service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.